Samsung's next Ultra is almost here. And the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it's starting to feel less like just a phone and more like Samsung quietly saying, alright, here's what we can really do. This isn't one of those tiny, boring upgrades. This is the kind of phone that feels intentional, a screen that can literally hide itself, a camera system that wants to replace your travel camera, and performance that actually feels next gen. Let's start with the wild part. Privacy. Samsung's new privacy display on the S26 Ultra is clearly made for people who are done with shoulder surfers on buses, trains, cafes, basically anywhere public. Turn it on, and from the side, your screen almost disappears. To you, looking straight at it, everything stays bright, sharp, and normal. But the person next to you, they see nothing useful, just a dark, unreadable blur. You can keep it simple and hide the entire display, nor get smarter and only mask sensitive areas, like chat, banking apps, or work emails. You can even set it to switch on automatically when you're in crowded or public places. So yeah, privacy is finally built into the display itself, not slapped on with a cheap screen protector. Now, what kind of phone is wrapped around that screen? This is the top dog of the S26 lineup, the Ultra, a massive 6.9-inch AMOLED display, but still smooth and fluid at 120 Hz, and bright enough that outdoor use is basically a non-issue. It's framed in premium metal, protected by tough glass, rated IP68 for water and dust, and it keeps that clean, boxy Ultra look. And yes, the S Pen is still built right in for quick notes, signing documents, sketching ideas, or making precise edits on photos and videos. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where Ultra has to earn its name. On the back, you get a 200 megapixel main camera, paired with ultra-wide and zoom lenses, so one phone can handle city shots, landscapes, close-ups, and even far-off subjects, without instantly turning everything into noise. Video is ready for high-resolution recording, with strong stabilization and HDR, so footage stays clean and steady, even when you're moving or shooting at night. Up front, the selfie camera is tuned for sharp photos and clean 4K video, perfect for vlogs, video calls, and social content. Behind the scenes, AI is doing the quiet work, cleaning up low-light shots, pulling extra detail from that huge sensor, and separating subject from background for better portraits and ready-to-share photos. And under the hood, this thing is built to stay fast. You're getting a top-tier Snapdragon class processor, plenty of RAM and fast storage options big enough for games, downloads, and 4K footage. This is the kind of setup that handles heavy multitasking and gaming without slowing down. Battery lands right around that 5,000 milliamp hour sweet spot, with fast wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging to top up your earbuds or watch right off the back of the phone. The idea is simple: one full busy day, and then some. On the software side, you're running the latest Android with Samsung's newest One UI. That means smarter suggestions, better writing and text tools, and Galaxy AI features that react to what's on your screen, not just voice commands. Put it all together, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra is big, bold, and unapologetically premium. A serious camera system, flagship level power, and a display that literally knows when to keep your business private. So if you could only carry one device for work, travel, content, and everything in between, would this be the Ultra you'd choose?